not making someone else's life better, then you're wasting your time.
Pain is temporary. It may last for a minute, or an hour, or a day, or even a year, but eventually it will subside, and something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it will last forever.
10,000 streams fan out like a river delta before you, each one promising the path of least resistance. Thing is, you're headed upstream. And when you make that choice, when you decide to turn your back on what's comfortable, what's safe, and what some would call common sense, well, that's day one. From there, it only gets tougher.
You have to work. I try to do it almost every day. This is why I'm in the top level many years. It's not by coincidence. It's because I do extra outside the pitch.
Talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
There are winners, there are losers, and there are people who have not discovered how to win.
But I'm telling you, if you're willing to put in 120%, if you're willing to go all in, you can take that which was once impossible and make it possible. Nothing is impossible. The only thing that's impossible is what you make impossible. So I need you to understand that it's not going to be an easy road.
If you quit, it's never going to happen. If you quit, if you give up, if you stop, if you do not persevere, listen to me, you will never see it. It may not happen in 6 months, it may not happen in a year, it may not happen in 2 years, but at some point, my dream is going to become a reality.
Every muscle is aching, and you're saying to yourself,
You can do it. Where you are is temporary. You will not be there for the rest of your life. You have to know that this thing is going to work.